Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete your Telegram account permanently. First, head into my.telegram.org/auth. Next is, you have to type in your phone number here. After typing it, click the next button and then it will send a confirmation code to you in your Telegram account. So make sure that copy it and paste it here. After inputting the confirmation code, click the sign in button. And here you will see the delete account button. Click this and then add a detail, but for this video, I'm gonna directly delete my account. Just simply click the delete my account and then confirm it by clicking the red button here. And that's it. As you can see, my account has been successfully deleted from the system of Telegram. And that is how you can permanently delete your Telegram account, and thank you for listening.